So here's how to make change to your existing Squarespace website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Squarespace account, then click on your profile icon and then click on the dashboard. Here you will be able to view all of your sites. To simply make change your own existing website, you have to click on these three dots next to your website. Now from this drop down menu, click on the settings option. Here you will be able to view all of these options. If you want to connect your site to an existing domain, click on the use a domain I own option. Or if you want to buy a new domain, you have to click on the get a domain option from the right panel. Here you can also select your site availability, permissions, language and region and member areas. It also allows you to add your social links here. However, if you want to make change on your Squarespace design, you have to simply go back. Then click on the edit option at the top left corner. It will take you to the editor of the website. Here you can click on the each section to make change on it. If you want to simply remove the background, you have to click on it. Or if you want to change your text, you have to select the text to which you want to make a change. After that, select areas section by section to make change on your existing Squarespace website. So that's how to make change onto your existing Squarespace website.